What's up, everyone? My name is Jhae Pfenning, host of the Hard Parking Podcast and co-founder of the One Auto Movement. And today, I'm going to talk about my There it is. So yeah, this is my 1997 Acura NSX. I think we should pull it outside to take a better look at it. If the car looks familiar to a lot of you, it's because it's been on YouTube, Gears and Gasoline. It was in SEMA 2017, Anime Expo 2018. I'm part of the Clarion Build Street team. I guess we all kind of start with the same thing. I'm gonna start with the wheels. I have Forge Line 18.5 in the front, 19 by 10 in the rear, EX1s. Stopping power is Futuro brakes, held to the road by Michelin Sport 4S. This is a wrap that I designed in Photoshop myself. It's my first and probably my last wrap. It's been about a year doing it. It's based off of a fighter jet from Robotech or Macross, depending on what you grew up to. This roof is full carbon fiber from NC Auto USA. These mirrors are also full carbon fiber. These are powered mirrors. Downforce hood. In the front, we have a carbon fiber splitter, carbon fiber lip, have Root TKS sides, garage kite side intakes, carbon fiber rear window garnish by Pride Exhaust, carbon fiber rear spoiler, modular style and lip spoiler, both by Pride, carbon fiber Super GT style rear valence, some more NC Auto USA carbon fiber pieces to kind of cover up those nasty spots where you put the ugly ballasts. Downforce front air cowl, goes with the hood. It's all functional, people. Or try to be. Dress up bolts, titanium bolts, accent my vehicle. Let's take a look at the back. Custom target brace. This is made by We Don't Lift Racing. I have bronze accents. This is what you gotta look for if you're looking for an NSX and you wanna know if it's turbo or supercharged. Supercharger sits right there. Turbo NSXs, this is usually all you'll see if you don't spot the intercoolers first. Turbo is in the same spot. If you haven't seen that video, it's a small Garrett single turbo. Let's take a look at the interior. These doors are from Pride Carbon. More Pride Carbon parts inside the interior of the car. I have a Momo Tuner 320 millimeter steering wheel. Carbon fiber center console. This is from NC Auto USA. This is an Arty Type S shift knob. I have an AL security camera. My Papago front bumper camera because I'm tired of hitting stuff. For extra comfort, I have full carbon fiber Tillet seats. These are Tillet B5 carbons. Believe it or not, these pads are optional. I don't know about you guys, but personally, I think I should take it for a quick spin. So what I'm doing is I'm going to a place where there's just not a lot of traffic, there's not a lot of people. Still doing social distancing. A little bit about this car. Single turbo, like I said earlier, it's got the E85 FlexFuel option. So whether I go between 91 pump or E85, wheel horsepower puts out anywhere from 415 to 460. It's 460 to the wheels. I don't remember my torque numbers, but the car's a blast. AEM Infinity 6 drives just like it should normally, just a whole lot quicker. Police officers are out today, just kind of sitting on corners, making sure people behave.